Quick update on BL900s. They've got a new design on them now. So this is the new one. Same packaging, same tool. Nothing's changed on the tool itself, but the packaging or the little case that they come in has changed. This is the new one, the BL900, and the old one, the green case, BL900. Just an update on these. Pretty cool. Haven't touched these yet, but just letting you guys know. All right. An update on Tone Tools AS900. They're now coming with the new casing, like this style, not in the green. These are the short, flat versions, not the ball. So we got a customer that ordered 3 of these, but figured I'd make a video showing them. Pretty cool. Here's another comparison. AL900 and the BL900S. Differences being short head, long head, both are the long style. Here we have the ball ends, here we have the flat ends. So this one is the AL900, BL900S. Let's see, let's pull out the others for comparison as well. Quick comparison of some of Tone 8 hex key sets. 2 long, short, long, flat, ball, both short, long head, flat end, ball end, and the BL900. Let's get here. See if I go box them. BL900, long, ball end, long, flat, long, short, ball, short, long, ball, flat. Yeah. All with their new casings. Here's a quick comparison of the BS900 and the AS900. So basically the same sizes, except ball end, flat end, long heads. There are other models with short. Just wanted to show the BS900. The new casings. Pretty cool. And here we have the BL900S. So these long type, ball end, short heads. So comparing with something like this, BS900, long heads, short body, long body, ball end.